On April 22, 2025, during Tesla's first quarter earnings call, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, announced a significant setback for the company's ambitious plans to mass-produce Optimus humanoid robots. Musk revealed that production delays are occurring due to China's recent export restrictions on rare earth magnets, which are critical components for the robot's motors. This development, reported by sources like the New York Times and Reuters, really underscores the intersection of technological innovation and geopolitical trade tensions, particularly between the United States and China. Let's explore China's export restrictions, the reasons behind them, and how they actually work. China's decision to impose export restrictions on certain rare earths and magnets, which was announced earlier in April 2025, is really part of these escalating trade tensions with the United States. According to Reuters, this move is widely seen as retaliation against US President Donald Trump's tariffs on Chinese goods, with China suspending exports of heavy rare earth metals and the magnets made from them. The restrictions require exporters to get licenses from China's Ministry of Commerce, and that process can take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks, as reported by Photonews. This action isn't just about mined minerals, but also finished products like magnets, which analysts cited in the New York Times say are actually quite difficult to replace. What does all this mean for Tesla and the wider robotics industry? For Tesla, the delay in Optimus production is a pretty significant hurdle. The company is currently working with the Chinese government to secure the necessary export licenses, emphasizing that the magnets are for civilian use, not for military purposes, as Musk clarified in the earnings call according to CNBC. However, the process could easily extend timelines, potentially affecting Tesla's competitive position in the robotics market, where competitors like China's Agibot are planning to produce 5,000 humanoid robots in 2025, as reported by Interesting Engineering. The broader robotics industry faces similar challenges, with analysts warning that US firms could lose out to China, which is aiming to replicate its electric vehicle success in robotics, as noted in CNN Business. All of this really highlights the vulnerability of global supply chains, especially for critical minerals and, as discussed in The Verge, the pressing need for diversification. Looking ahead, diversifying supply chains is a key strategy to mitigate these kinds of risks. Countries and companies are exploring alternative sources of rare earths, but this requires significant time and investment, as noted in CNBC. For Tesla, resolving the issue with China is absolutely critical, while this new hurdle serves as a stark reminder of how global politics can impact technological development, as reported by NBC New York. In the short term, Tesla's efforts to secure export licenses might provide a temporary fix. But in the long run, the industry may need to invest in domestic production or international partnerships to reduce dependence on China, as suggested in the New York Times. Elon Musk's dream of a robot-filled future is facing some delays, but it's not derailed just yet. Tesla is working hard to navigate these tricky geopolitical waters, but this development really highlights the interconnected nature of global supply chains and the impact of trade tensions on innovation. As of April 23, 2025, the situation remains fluid, with potential for both resolution and further complications. What do you think about this development? Do you believe geopolitical tensions will keep affecting technological progress, or will companies like Tesla find ways to adapt? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this analysis insightful, please subscribe for more updates on critical metals-related news.